My name is Ammar Husna.
And my name is Husna Mardia.
And welcome to my cooking show. What is the menu of the day, Husna?
We're gonna make sandwich and strawberry bite.
Oh wow, that's amazing! Let's start! Husna, do you know what is the secret of successful cooking?
Of course. First, we need to say
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh Allah, please make easy for us. Ameen.
Second, we need to make sure
Our hair and head are covered.
and then we need to salawat and zikir.
Don't forget to wash our hands. This is our ingredient for our sandwich.
Egg, in Arabic is baida. Mayonnaise
And salted butter.
You can try to turn off the sun, I'm still gonna shine away, yeah, and tell everyone we're having some fun today. We can go wherever you wanna and do whatever you like. Let's just have a real good time. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. I just wanna spread love and peace.
Wow, that's
And
amazing.
happiness, yeah, to everyone that I meet. Cause I'm feeling spectacular. I love it when we love one another. Give thanks every day for this life, living with a smile on my face. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah.
Yeah, it's done.
Alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Spread peace on the earth, cherish the love that is around us. Spread peace on the earth, treasure the love that is around us. Always be
Let's
kind,
eat.
always remind one another. Peace on the earth every day. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum, yeah. Assalamu
Good.